Hi, welcome to Telugu One Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we are going to make some Caesar salad. So Caesar salad, the main ingredient are anchovies, some romaine lettuce, some Worcestershire sauce, some Dijon mustard, some Parmesan cheese. This salad was made in Mexico by an Italian chef. So let's get started. Usually in Caesar salad we use romaine lettuce, but if you feel that you do not have romaine lettuce available with you, you could also use iceberg lettuce as a substitute. Chopped garlic, we have some sliced chicken breast, Dijon mustard, we have olive oil. This is an eggless mayonnaise which can be bought in the store. We have some grated fresh Parmesan cheese, we have some bread crouton, we have some dried thyme. Instead of the dried thyme, we can also use fresh thyme if it is available. Then we have salt and pepper for seasoning, and finally we have some lemon. We'll start off by marinating the chicken. Some salt, some pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some dried thyme, around half teaspoon, and 1 lemon wedge. Around half teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now we'll marinate by mixing this all together well. Now we'll leave it outside maybe for 15-20 minutes till all the mustard and the seasoning seeps into the chicken. You can also keep it in the chiller for like 15 to 20 minutes. While this gets marinated, we'll start off by making our bread croutons. So meanwhile, when our chicken is getting marinated, now we'll start making the croutons by toasting them in a pan right here. Now our pan is hot enough. Now we'll start making the croutons. If you have an oven at home, you can also toss this in the oven and you can bake it at around 170 degrees, so it gets a golden brown color for around 5 to 7 minutes. So now this stage the crouton has started to become slightly golden brown in color. If you feel like you need a little bit of moisture in your croutons, you can add just a half teaspoon of olive oil. Now we'll start cooking the chicken for the salad. So around half tablespoon of olive oil. Now we'll start putting the chicken. Once you put the chicken in, just leave it there for like 30 seconds so it gets a nice golden brown color. After that, we'll flip it over. We can start flipping the chicken. So keep this on a low flame till the chicken gets cooked through. So now it's almost like 3 to 4 minutes. Our chicken is already cooked. Now we'll just take it out and keep it on the side. Meanwhile, we'll start preparing for the dressing. So let's start by making the Caesar dressing. For the Caesar dressing, we'll need around 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic here. Then 3 tablespoons of store-bought veg mayonnaise. Around 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Some salt for seasoning and some crushed pepper. Now we'll blend this into a fine dressing. Now our dressing is ready. If you find your dressing is too thick, you can add just a tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of water to it, so you will get the right consistency for the dressing. Check for the seasoning. Once done, you can take it out in a bowl and keep it aside. Now time to assemble the salad. So for the salad, we'll take the lettuce that we have, just gently tear it, and you can start putting in your mixing bowl. The size of the lettuce should be a little bite size, so it's easy to have. Now we'll put around 2 to 3 tablespoons of the dressing on top. Just a little bit of the crouton, and now we mix it. Now time to plate the salad. So now our salad has been plated. Now let's garnish it. So starting with the leftover crouton that we have, just sprinkle it around the salad. Now we have the grilled chicken, which is already cooked and warm. So we will just arrange it on the salad. Finally, we'll just garnish it with some Chef Parmesan cheese. Whenever making a salad, should always note that never dump the lettuce, otherwise the lettuce will spoil or it will lose its freshness. So whenever plating it, always remember that you elevate the lettuce as much as possible.